How to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070422. 1. Restart Windows Update service. And restart other required Windows Update services as well: network list, BitLocker drive encryption service, DCOM server process launcher, network connections, Windows license manager, network list, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live networking, Windows Defender firewall. 2. Run System File Checker, SFC, scan and DISM tools as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/scan healthdism/online/cleanup image/check healthdism/online/cleanup image/restore health. 3. Turn off IPv6. 4. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. 5. Set 1 to enable featured software at HKey_local_machine software Microsoft Windows current version Windows Update auto update in registry editor. And set 3 to start entry at HKey_local_machine /system/current control set /services /apex svc. Plan B. 6 Restart your PC. Seven. Restart network list service. 8. Perform repair upgrade. 9. Reset Windows Update.